Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now I'm going to make myself a little sheet metal bender run. So I saw a simple little design on eBay and then I'm going to try to make one. Just making this off the top of my head and how the measurements then. So I got two pieces of angle here. I laid them on some wide plate then, so it's flat. And I clamped together and get them the same place. When I drilled through both of them and put a bolt as it's going. So I'm going to weld the nut there and maybe put a piece of bar and don't actually need a tool to undo it. Next now I need to make the actual flat bar or fold it over and make a bracket of this and some hinges in. And that'll be it really. And grind the rough spots off. So I'll crack on it now. So this is as far as I've gotten. So I've cut two pieces, quite thick stuff, for drilling to make the hinges in. And I've cut this piece of 1.5 inch in quite thick stuff. I'm not sure if I should use this angle here and again and maybe reinforce it here so it has more, it's a bit small really, so there's a bit more area to bend it, and a bit lighter as well, handle. Not sure now, so. But I've clamped the oil tank when it's like 2.5 mil thick stuff, because this is the sort of maximum I'm going to bend with most of the time for little patch panels for stuff in. So need to get it so it can actually bend this stuff, this thickness flat when, you know. Not sure, I might make the side, these hinges maybe adjustable so it can go up and down for a bit, you know, can just the thickness in. So it makes a tight bend each time, you know. I have to think about this then. But I've gotten this far anyway. As you see, it's handled that oil tank, which is, say, a couple mil. Sorry, I've skipped a lot of stages now, filming now. But I forgot to film then. So I welded the pegs on first, each side, some 30mm rod. Then I put the blocks in and I tacked it up and tried out to see if it would bend then. But the front edge here was hitting, say, halfway there, and it's getting closer. So I've had to space them out more. Well, there's a bit of gap to fill up, but it's alright. I'll get a bit more gap there, so this would actually pass this front corner there underneath here. So I've got that sorted. Found some offcut box section. I've cut in half and made two handles out of it. And giving a coat of paint really. That's it. And I was thinking of making a hinge here then, a bolt going across and a piece of pipe in there. But the way it works, it wouldn't actually hold in place here then. So I don't forget that extra hinge in. The way it works, it actually swings back and forward a bit there. I thought that I had the sides there, it would, you know, hinge there as well, but didn't work anyway. So learning from experience then, it would be better to maybe measure up a proper one first just to see. And you have to have quite a bit of gap there. Also, another thing it's been pointed out to me is it won't actually bend to 90 then, you know, like 90 degrees like that, because this is 90 and you have to, like steel now, it, you know, flexes back after you bend it, so you have to bend it over 90 to get it to hold at 90. So, but I've seen another proper one, and the angle here was flipped around, so there's only a little edge there, so you can actually bend it over that edge then. So if I need to go over 90, I could make another one of these and maybe cut a chunk out here so the vice could still clamp onto it. Really, this is the first attempt at making a bender, so really I've learned my lessons from this one. So if I do happen to make another one again, I'll know what I'm doing and a bit better anyway. So maybe it's one of those things you're better off buying a cheap one, not too sure, and or studying one anyway, as making some fly then, you know, as it's going in. So but it works anyway. So put some oil tank in it and it bent it, you know. I'll put a video now of the oil tank. so it's fairly, I didn't think of bending something as wide, but as long as I helped it along, pressing down the steel, it did bend it to just an angle then, not 90 then, but just at an angle so it would slope in for a shoot then. So I wanted the slope anyway. Okay. So I said there was only small bits of oil tank I'd be doing, but I thought I'd try it out on a little tray I was making. So it's tapered so it goes wider. Only thing, because I've done it 90, it won't actually bend to 90. You need to go over 90 to get it to hold, so this won't actually do it to 90, but I didn't get anywhere near it anyway. Just I was going to make the side sort of folding like that, so it's a bit wider again. So I wasn't going to do it actually 90, but it was very close anyway. So only thing I had to, I clamped it down to a bench, and I had to sort of help it along, push down of that as it's pulling on it, just to get it to bend down. So, but it did the job anyway. So we'll take it off now and need to cut the sides then. Yeah, cut that down so it's a bit smaller in front there. Okay. Thank you for watching. That's it from me for now then.